Alright, today we're going to look at our tools module number 1. My first module was laser engraving and acrylic bending. We started with a cardboard box cutout, where you had to cut out the piece. This picture shows Illustrator, which is the application that you use to draw out what you want the laser uncover to then vector or raster for you. This following video, you can see the cardboard actually being vectored right now, meaning it's being cut. You can see the laser goes right through the cardboard pretty easy. It almost looks like it's kind of just drawing out with black marker. Once all the pieces kind of came out, we were able to cut it and then put it back together in this kind of nice cube shape. From the box, we moved on to acrylic cutting and bending. Actually, cutting the acrylic is very similar to cutting the cardboard. All you have to do is change the settings, and you can kind of see how the difference in the way that it looks between the acrylic cutting and after the cut is finished, you can move over to the bending portion of the project. That black line in the middle is a heat source, so you hold the acrylic over it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then once it's done, it's nice and hot and it's malleable, and you can bend it into whatever shape you want, mostly just different angles. Then we move on to the living hinge, which is a burn design that actually allows the wood to flex once it's burned in. It kind of creates this really thin wood membrane that can actually bend. You'll see that here in this video here. Kind of as you apply force, the wood can actually bend upwards and downwards, making for a really cool effect that's kind of mesmerizing. Overall, this project was really cool. Being able to work with the lasers is a really interesting kind of new way to create art, and Illustrator is a pretty easy application to use, so you can essentially just import or make whatever you want and then raster it or vector it into the wood. Definitely a really fun project. I'm excited to kind of use this in later designs to kind of, give things a little more flair and make some cool designs for myself.